Welcome to Live One Company, where we live, learn, and create. Hey there, students. Are you ready to unlock some sneaky tips and tricks that will help you ace every class in college or grad school? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to share some clever and expert advice that will give you an edge in your academic journey. Let's dive right in. Number one, say goodbye to repetitive and dull language in your papers. Utilize online resources like Power Thesaurus and Word Hippo Thesaurus to find better and more precise words to enhance your writing. Impress your professors with your command and incredible use of language. Number two, nail your citations with Citation Machine. Formatting citations can be a real headache, but fear not. Use Citation Machine to generate accurate citations in the required format. Say goodbye to the endless struggle of manually formatting your references. Keep your papers organized and ensure you give credit where it's due. Number three, power up your knowledge with Management Study Guide. Need a quick way to master various subjects? Look no further than Management Study Guide. This website offers concise and comprehensive resources to help you skill up on any topic. Whether it's business, economics, or management, managementstudyguide.com has got you covered. Number four, navigate tricky assignments with Course Hero. When you're stuck and need guidance, Course Hero can come to the rescue. It's a valuable resource for understanding how to frame and write your work. However, remember to use it for guidance and inspiration, but never ever copy anything from there. Plagiarism detectors are on high alert. So there you have it for part one of this video. But wait, we're up in the ante. We have more to reveal. Join us in part two of this video where we share 4 more sneaky college and grad school tips and tricks to ace every class. We hope you've enjoyed today's video. We are Live One Company, where we live, learn, and create. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss out.